I need therapy, but I can't afford therapy. What I can afford is pretty leggings, and that's exactly what we're here for. We're here for retail therapy. Retail therapy. That's what it is. Retail therapy is my toxic trait. I've accepted it. I am one with it. I used to tell my friends, oh, like I have a lot of I am sad like all the time, right? But what makes me feel better is going out and buying myself something cute. So when you see all the shit that I have, that's depression. That's depression. That's trauma. At least I'm depressed and cute. So hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please join the fam by clicking that subscribe button. Click the like button already because I know you're gonna love these sets that I'm about to show you. Actually no, should I already announce where I got all of these pieces from? I mean, they're literally gonna be in the title. So I got all these pieces from TJMAXX. If you don't follow me on Instagram, the links are down below. Follow me on Instagram because I posted on my story like a minute ago that I went out and bought some clothes. I'm gonna do a little try on haul for you guys. So if you're interested in seeing everything that I got, seeing how it fits me, just keep on watching. So yeah, if you're interested in all the cute stuff that I got, I won't have links down below because TJMAXX, like, you really get what you get. I don't know if they have them online. You should check it out because like they don't have a name, like they don't have a name on them. So if you end up buying these pieces, tag me when you wear it because I want to see how cute you look. And I'm just gonna start already, and comment down below if you're interested in watching more try on hauls. Do you guys like it when I do makeup tutorials instead, or you just like a little bit of everything? I don't know unless you tell me. I'm not a mind reader. I'm just gonna start with these leopard print leggings. These are so cute, you guys. The majority of the stuff that I got is like earth tones because it is fall time and that's what's in style right now. So when I went, they had like very minimal amount of like summer tones and bright colors and all that. So you'll see. So I got these leopard print leggings. Again, everything I got is so soft. The material, because I've felt leggings, like whenever I go shopping, I always feel the clothes. And you notice that some leggings can be like so stiff. I don't know. And they're so thick too. I like the stretchiness. I also like my high-waisted leggings. And whatever, like these look so cute, like really cute. Since the leopard print does have black in it, I got this set that has the black sports bra, and this is what it looks like from the back. I also got a gray one because the beauty of TJMAXX and like all these places is that they sell you like 2 things for 1. So you want to know how much this is worth? Originally this is worth $34, but instead I got it for $14. Look at that. That's a steal. So I got that to match with the leggings. I also bought a matching brown top to go with it too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wear this top over the black sports bra, again with these cute leopard leggings. And as you can tell, they're both kind of the same color. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie the shirt up into a knot to make it shorter. And yeah, so that's a really cute set, and I can't wait to wear it. With those leggings, I bought a really cute, almost grayish, but it's a lavender tone. You probably can't tell because of my lights. This is a lavender tone, super stretchy, it's high-waisted, really soft. That would go great with the gray sports bra that I bought. I'm living for this. I can't wait to wear everything. Not only do I love buying gym clothes because one, it motivates me even more to go to the gym and execute my workout, but I use it a lot to lounge around the house, and the fact that it's, again, super soft is an A++++ in my book. I love it. I've seen a lot of girls wear camo leggings. These are a white gray camo leggings. As you can tell, stretchy AF, and I got a matching gray sports bra to go with it. What I love about this sports bra is it's so stretchy, it's really comfortable, and the back is cute too. Like, it has that random hole, but like, it's nice. It's nice. The good thing about all these outfits actually is I didn't spend an arm and a leg buying all of this. You go to all these boutiques and high-end stores and they will sell you the same pair of leggings for $50. So all you're left with is $50 leggings. For what? What am I going to do besides sweat in these clothes? Yeah, I'm gonna lounge around the house, but we ain't going nowhere fancy, so why am I gonna spend $50 on just one pair of leggings when I can have sets, outfits? Like, come on now. Come on now. I look so ugly. Yes, it is I. I don't want to apologize for not wearing makeup because it's okay to be natural, and I'm here to be myself because it's my channel, and that's that. And this is my truest self. This is me.
This is real. This is me.
This is me. This is me. Like, yes, I have bags. It's okay not to wear makeup all the time and look picture perfect. It's just unrealistic. I really don't know how to explain this monstrosity of a video. I ended up getting more things. I'm just going to cut in between what I was already saying and show you guys the rest of my stuff. So I'm just gonna add to what I already have. It is too much work to get dolled up, to re-explain what I already explained, model all the clothes, and it's just a huge process. It's not even sunny outside anymore. The vibe isn't there. I promise I will do better next time. So I went back because I wanted to get the matching leopard top for the leopard print leggings. That's why I settled for the top and the black sports top, but I've been on the hunt for that one and I couldn't find it. But luckily I found these really cute leggings and I'm so proud of them. Blue tie-dye, I would say they're tie-dye, like they're like a stained print. I don't know what it's called. I don't know my terms yet, but if you want to educate me, give me some tips, some advice, comment them down below. But anyways, you know, they have pockets on this side. They're stretchy, they're so soft, they're high-waisted, and I'm so happy I found these. I got these really cute red, orange, red leggings, and they have pockets on the side. They're stretchy. Everything is so comfortable, you guys. Like, again, these are so stretchy. Love the pockets, and they fit me like a glove. I am waiting for TJMAXX to stock up on some shorts that are of this same quality. Oh, and I forgot to mention, all of these leggings, they're high-waisted and they're squat proof. Okay, so the reason why I'm making this haul for you guys, I am gonna start training and I'm gonna start filming more workout and health related videos on my channel. So if you're interested in that, don't forget to subscribe. The last pair of leggings that I'm gonna show you guys today is this like pink meshy print. Yeah, these pink meshy print leggings. They don't have pockets, unfortunately, but they're high-waisted. They're really cute. They're really cute. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I love you guys so much. Comment down below what your favorite outfit was. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're not already a part of the fam. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Love you.